Welcome to all. Binary coded decimal digit, and this is weightage code where each bit have some weightage. As here mentioned the code number 1 and code number 2. The one code is the weightage is 84 minus 2 minus 1. So suppose I want to write down the 3 is 4 minus 1 3, 2 is 4 minus 2 2, and 5 is 8 minus 2 6 minus 1 5. As we discussed previously, the any number, suppose I have a number 3 5 6, so 3 is equal to 0 1 0 1, 5 is equal to 8 minus 2 minus 1, so 1 0 1 1, and 6 is equal to 1 0 1 0. 8 minus 2 6, this is 8 4 minus 2 minus 1. This is decimal digit. Similarly, 2 4 2 1, the weightage of MSB is 2, next is 4, 2 and 1. Here both the table is weightage code binary for decimal digits. But here we identify one new term. The advantages of this is it is self-complementary. As we discussed earlier, the complementary is useful for the subtraction method. And we also discussed the r minus 1's complement is the best thing is that it is simple is that 1 is replaced by 0 and 0 is replaced by 1. So how it can be self-complementary? The question is arise. How? Suppose I have a number 3 5 6 in decimal. What is 9's complement? So it is 9 9 9 minus 3 5 6. So it will become 3 4 6 6 4 3. What is the equivalent 8 4 2 1? So 6 is 1 0 1 0. 4 is 0 1 0 0, and 3 is 0 1 0 1 in 8 4 minus 2 minus. Compare this number, this one with this. 0, so here 1. 1 is 0, 0 is 1 and 1 is 0. See. Compare this all 12 digits, simply 0 and 1 replaced to each other. And in binary we can say that it is a 1's complement of this thing. So if any decimal digit 9's complement equivalent in this coding system, it simply replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Now see 0 and 9. Zero 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 zero, here 1 1 1 1, and similarly 0 0 0 and 1 1 1. So it is a 1's complement. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. Okay, what is the 1's complement, 9's complement of 1? It is 8. Nine minus 1 is equal to 8. 0 1 0 0, 1 0 1 1. So simply 0 is replaced by 1 and 1 is replaced by. Same thing is here, all 3 0 1, so 3 1 and 0. Now 2 is 7, 0 1 1 0, 1 0 0 1. Both are replaced. 0 is replaced by 1 and 1 is replaced by 0. Similarly here 0 0 1 0. So here it will become 1 1 0 1. 1 1 0 1. 3 is 6 and 4 is 5. So in this way Okay, 0 is replaced by 0, 0, 0, and 9 is all are 1. 1 is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, while 9 minus 1, 8 is equal to 1, 0, 1, 1. 2 is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0. 9's complement 9 minus 2, 7, and the 7 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. 3 is 0, 1, 0, 1, and 9 minus 3 is 6, and it is equal to 1, 0, 1, 0. 4 is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0. 9 minus 4, 5, and 5 is replaced by equivalent to 1, 0, 1, 1. So simply 0 is replaced by 1, 1 is replaced by 0. So 9's complement is simply conversion from 0 to 1 to 1 to 0. So this code is known as a itself complementary. But the characteristic of this is not a common like as in BCD. The same is not applicable BCD. Remember that thing. So 9's complement of the decimal number is easily obtained by changing simply 0 by 1 and 1 by a 0, which is shown in this example. So that means this is the property of the number system 84 minus 2 minus 1 as well as for 2421, which is useful when the arithmetic operations are internally done by with a decimal numbers in form of binary, and specifically in the subtraction arithmetic operation, which is calculated by means of the 9's a complement. Same thing is applicable for 2421. The here we obtain the same, that the 0 is replaced by 1, so we obtain the 9's complement is equivalent to the decimal number system. Let's see. 0, this is for 84 minus 2 minus 1, and for 2421, 0 is here, all are 0, while 9's complement is obviously 9, 0, 9 minus 0, so here 9 is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 1, and the 9's complement is 8, and 8 is 1, 1, 1, 0. 2 is equal to 0, 0, 1, 0. 9 minus 2 is 7, and the 7 is equal to 1, 1, 0, 1. 3. 3 is equal to, in 242 code is 0, 0, 1, 1. What is the 9th? 6. 9 complement of 3 is 6, and 6 is equal to 1, 1, 0, 0. So see, 0 is replaced by 1, 1 is replaced by 0. And 4 and 5. So 4 is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, and the complement is 5, and 5 is equal to 1, 0, 1, 1. So again here, suppose that in example there is given that prove 84 minus 21 and 2421 is self-complementary code with the help of 23 5.7. This is the decimal number. So 9's complement of this number is 999.9 minus 235.7. So it will become 2, 4, 6, 7. Same in decimal. While in 84 minus 2 minus 1 code, 2 is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0. 3 is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1. 5 is equal to 1, 0, 1, 1 decimal dot, and fraction part 7 is 1, 0, 0, 1. Now replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. So you obtain 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 sorry 0 1 0 0 dot 0 1 1 0. 0 and 1 are interchanged here in this case. Now find out the reverse order. 1 0 0 1 is represented by 7. Yes. 1 0 1 0 is equal to 6. 0 1 0 0 is equal to 4 dot 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0, yes, it's 2 in 8 4 minus 2 minus 1, and see, it is exactly 9th complement of the in decimal system. So in this way we can say that the given two number 8 4 minus 2 minus 1 and 2 4 2 1 are weightage code as well as the self complementary code. Remember that thing, weightage plus, it is the benefit is that these code are weightage and self complementary, both the functionality in the same number coding system. This is the biggest advantages of this two number system. BCD number is not a weightage code. It is weightage code but not a self complementary code. In BCD 0 0 0, the 9th complement is 1 0 0 1. So this is not a self complementary code. While the 8 4 minus 2 minus 1 and 2 4 2 1, it is weightage as well as the self complementary code. Sometime in the exam they ask that what is the difference between 8 4 minus 2 minus 1 decimal digits and 8 4 2 1 digits. So this is only weightage code and this one is weightage plus self complementary code. I hope is it making sense. Have a good day.